Hi, and welcome to this video on general calibration and best practices for the YSI ProQuatro. Most calibration problems aren't due to sensor failures. They come down to fouling, contaminated buffers, or steps being skipped. In this video, we'll run through how often to calibrate, the correct order to do things, how to handle the standards properly, and a few common mistakes that cause failed or unreliable calibrations. Now let's get started. Best practice is to calibrate or verify frequently. Calibrating your sensors before use, even though modern sensors hold calibration well, your data is only as good as your calibration. Critical projects such as regulatory compliance, research, or audit work may warrant more frequent checks. Always confirm the temperature reading before any other calibration. Place the temperature sensor in a known reference, for example with a calibrated thermometer or a stirred water bath, and check that the reading is correct. Every other parameter uses temperature compensation, so an error in temperature will affect the overall measurements. The ProQuatro temperature sensor is factory set and not user calibrated, and normally does not need calibration. If the reading appears off, inspect and gently clean any fouling on the temperature sensor, rinse, recheck, and only proceed once the reading is correct. YSI recommends calibrating the unit in the following order: conductivity as specific conductance, pH, OIP or oxidation reduction potential, and DO or dissolved oxygen last. Conductivity or salinity is used for DO salinity compensation, and doing pH first may leave buffer residue that contaminates the conductivity standards. Always use fresh, high-quality calibration standards and buffers. Replace the standards once they expire or show signs of contamination. Conductivity standards can change value after around a month from opening due to evaporation. pH buffers are often easily contaminated by repeated use or dilution from several calibrations. And never pour your standards back into the bottle. Thoroughly rinse your sensors and the calibration cup with deionized water between each step, but please remember to never store your sensors in DI water. During calibration, allow the readings to stabilize before accepting. As a rule of thumb, wait until there is no significant change over about 30 to 40 seconds. Do not remove the probe from the solution until after the meter confirms calibration is accepted. After the final calibration point, complete and exit the calibration mode as per the ProQuatro instructions, for example, finish calibration or returning to measurement mode. If you do not properly finish the calibration sequence, the instrument may assume further points are required and will not save the calibration. Verifying versus recalibrating. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. You don't always need a full calibration if a recent one is still valid. Verify the pH solution by checking in a pH 7 buffer. DO can be done in 100% saturated air using the humid air method. Conductivity, check in a known conductivity standard. If readings are within acceptable tolerance, for example pH is between 6.98 and 7.02, dissolved oxygen percentage is within 1 or 2%, conductivity is within your lab's tolerance, you may log as a verification and continue. Some regulatory protocols allow continuing without recalibration if the verification is within a tight window. If accuracy is critical, calibrate daily regardless. At a minimum, verify regularly and follow with your project manager's expectations and site standard operating procedures. Fouled sensors are the most common cause of failed calibrations, questionable calibration warnings, and noisy or drifting field readings. That covers the core calibration best practices for the YSI ProQuatro. From here you can move on to the individual sensor calibration videos. We'll walk through each sensor step by step. If you're in the field, pause the next video where needed and follow along in real time. Thanks for watching. And as always, if something doesn't look right during calibration, stop, clean, recheck, and trust the process.